What's up guys, I'm back. Sorry I didn't make a video in a long time, but here I am with this guy that I somehow managed to make him think I was flying on top of this platform. I'll tell you how I did it, but I just showed the guy and yeah. If you need to pause the video to read it, there you are. Right. That's how it was done. Well, no how it was done, but that's what it started with. So, I'm going to say this guy, say hi to YT. Yeah, I've got a new design on my car, to let you know. And it's not that bad, but this guy, he's really nice looking. No, his car's really nice looking, sorry about that. Tongue twisters, his car's really nice looking, see the one down here. I'll show you in a second. His car down here is really nice looking. Okay. Right, I made some drag races, but I'll show you them up in a minute. But this car is a lot different on the see when it's off the trailer. It's a lot different. It's really nice looking. And here's one that I've wanted to show you guys. Again, it's one of the ones in my old videos. It's the Chevy. Nothing's better than the good old Chevy. So here's the thing, here's the deal. When I made that invisible platform thing, your bait, aka the guy that's playing in the server, they need to stay inside the server when you edit the map. And when you're finished editing and leave after that and rejoin the actual game with him, as long as if he's still in that game, you can fool him a lot, like I done to this guy. I fell off the side again. What drag race is he on? Nah, he's on that other one. He's just noticed yeah. He just noticed this. See, when you speed on it too fast, it'll just launch you off. Oh, it doesn't do it with this one, but wait, oh there we are. That's what happens, and that's what he's just experienced. Quite funny, but yeah. I will show you guys my maps, and if you want to go and check them out, they're there waiting, and I hope you will enjoy them if you try them out. Basically, I got 20 subscribers, congrats on me. Thanks for the 20 subs, and I made a promise, and I will reveal my car's tuning, and I will do that at the end of the video. So yeah, this is what it's like on the end of the racing track. And basically I'm just going to give you guys a wee detour of my little map I made. Half snow, half stunt, half a wee bit of sand in it. There's a climbing part, there's a stunt part, and yeah, I'm going to say this guy. I just went through the floor and caught it on camera. See you later. Right, so I guess this car's just got to keep on flipping like this. What is it? I knew you'd say that, but I'm not bothered. I'm not bothered to tell them. I don't know how you say it, but I'm happy to tell people my channel. That's what I'm trying to say. My channel name is. Yeah, just so he knows. Right. I'm happy enough to tell him the channel, but this guy, he's actually he's like one of the best players that I've seen on this game. Sometimes I need to be specific when I type on this game, but it's fine. So yeah, I'm sorry I can't pronounce your name, but I'll give you a shout out on this video, and I'll be happy to see you on the channel a bit more. So yeah, and I hope you'll see how to make, if you want a fast car, you can turn this into one of mine. I'll show you. Right, he's got to see it, so let's get back to work. Here's my little map. I'll show you what it's called right now. I might get a new intro soon. And YouTube, I really don't want to be copyrighted. And if this is copywriting, if my intros are copywriting, I'm sorry. I will take them down if you want me to. Right. So basically these are my just main vehicles that I use. These are my main ones. So let's quickly see. If you're hearing weird scraping noises, I'm sorry, that's just my case. If you want your trailer to take a weird type of shaking, I would show you that later on, but it's a bit weird that I've got teeth on the rear bumper. But okay. My friend made this, but it's actually very good. It looks perfect for climbing, which it is. What made that dirty Cuba? That's a wheelie car. If we hit 25 subscribers, I'll show you how to make a car like that do wheelies. It's very easy. Then there's my trophy truck. My crawler that can climb the impossible rocks. My multicoloured crawler that can climb anything. My Scottish flag car. If you want to know how to make that Scottish flag, if we hit 30 subscribers, I will guarantee to show you that on the same day as the 30 subs. I guarantee you. Promise. These are just ordinary, normal, just me playing around with them. Try to see if I can get any good ones. That's my friend made that one. There's one I made, another Scottish flag one. And if you want to know how to make a chopper from a dirt bike, do let me know in the comments, because I will show you how. There's my drag racer. There's my Chevy, Monster Chevy I call it. There's I can't mind what that's called, but I call it the murder vehicle. Another murder vehicle. Trophy truck with proper trophy suspension, if you can see that. A crawler with huge tires that have no grip in it. Another trophy suspension crawler. And it just goes on, because I've showed you some of my last video. I don't want to waste any more time on this, but as you've seen in my last videos, I've been doing go-karting, and I tried, my sister got in a crash and I avoided it and all that. Right, back to work. You guys gave me 20 subscribers, I gave you a promise, and that promise is right now. So, front, you're going to need solid axle pro. Same on the rear. You can have any customizations to make it look good, but I'm just choosing to keep it like that because it looks. Let me know in the comments if you think that looks nice. Just leave a wee comment and I'll know. So your axles, that doesn't matter. Your damping does matter. So this is all in the front. Okay. 5908. Try and get it in the 5.9. Like, that's mainly what you need to get it in the 5.9, anywhere in the 5.9. Shock size, do it. Shocks, number 2. Stiffness is 50. Travel is 10. Axle 0. Brake 0. On the rear, doesn't matter about that. Damping 5.9, anywhere in that. Rear steering, you don't really have to put rear steering on it, but if you want it, you can apply it. It makes no difference to the speed, but it will make a huge difference on your turning. It will spin you out quite a lot. Shocks, shock size, stiffness on the maximum, travel on the lowest, brake 0, axle 0. So your tyres, rim size doesn't really matter. Radius 0.5, width 0.5. That's what matters. The rear 0.5, width 0.5. That's what matters. You need it like that. Here's where the best part comes in. Make your low gear go 2.0 standard. First gear 1.1, second gear 1.0, third gear 0.8, fourth gear 0.7, fifth gear 0.5. Make sure you have that perfect tuning and perfect setup. And just to make sure, this should have over 2000 torque on its maximum, which it does. That's what you want, torque and horsepower. That's your main two things you need. So, once that's all done, you can go back. I might make another PUBG video tonight, so well, probably. Now, tyre. You need them. I'm actually not sure if you need them for grip or not, but I'd recommend you do it in case. The rims are no really mattering. So see the front, they're like racing, just before the spikes. The rear, just before the chains. Right? They're like spiky bits. It's like a Formula 1 car. So it is. So now that I've revealed since I've revealed one of my best cars to use, don't know what the hell that's doing, but Once I've revealed this to you, I will show you what I do every time I finish my video. Every time I buy something, that's what I do. I might make another drag racer, but I'm planning on making one of these. Better one. I know I won't need any money, but I'm going to just add more, because I'm going to do exactly what I do every other time. Right. Part 2. Welcome back. Sorry about the part 1 cutting off on me, but that should not happen again, but let's continue. Right, so they do none. That's okay. Right. And I'm thinking of putting the tires will do. Leave them on it. So front bumper, let's fix that. That bed type. Looks quite classic like that. Now, let me know if you know that's from the TF2, Team Fortress 2 game. The sniper's car. Gotta do that. The hood. That won't matter. Cage will matter. Fender. Leave it like that. Get a nice running board. Roof light, definitely. It's a bit weird, but okay, I'll just go with it, pretend it didn't happen. We need that jack, we need the winch, we need the front light. We need those headlights. Need that gun rack, need the repair pack. We need it all. Now what colour is it gonna be? Is it gonna be an auto parts colour, like wine red? Well, I think it is gonna be that. I think that's gonna be the winner. Ooh, I can make it look chrome. Right, I'll go for chrome, I guess. That colour. Nice. Right, so keep spikes on both set of tyres, because you will need them for the hills you'll need to climb to save lives off of dangerous hills and all that. So I'm going to make them a bit thicker. Yeah, 1.6 on both sides. Just gives it that better look. If you can see the difference, let me know in the comments. Always go for that solid axle pro. Don't need to tune it, but actually we do. That was one weird number that put me there. Bingo. Straight on the same one. ear tuning stay the same, but the low gear goes straight up to 4, because you will need it up there. Bang. And if I believe correctly, the maximum torque should be over 1,000, which it is. Right, so let's just check how it's got to go on mountains, hills, bumps, everything. I believe that's good enough. Things might shake around in an RP session, but yeah, that'll do. So that's all I do in the last videos, after all my videos. So I'll show you my other map. Once I do that, I'll end the video saying the usuals. Right, so here's my 2 maps. It's a theme. It's my first map of Fun Random. 5 likes, which is nice. A Street Racer. The second map, hope you enjoy. 1 like has only introduced 1 or 2 people to it. And yes, my name is Scotland's Rescue Service. It sounds kinda rubbish, but it's a name that I'm using. Because I'm going to be role playing as a Scottish Rescue Service. Empty trailer on the back. Like so. Then if anyone needs help, breaks down in an RP game, I'll help them with this. And that's basically all, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.